All right, I'm going to be installing some of that vinyl stone siding. Looks like stone. Pretty good stuff. But anyway, let me show you the back of it here. That's the back of it. And you can see where the starter strip clips in, right there. And then the nailing strip's up top. There's your nailing strip up top. And it just clips into the starter strip. I ran all the Tyvek and boxed in whatever I had to box in with AZEK. Running around here. This you can see, trying to match that up is going to be fun. So we got shingles over here. We got T111 over here. And on this side, it's a good 2.5 inches out. Here it's probably about 3/4 berries. So we'll just do the best we can to get this thing looking right. Got to get that end fixed right there.